Okay, I really want to figure out this reverse axis thing, so I'm gonna make this little video for you, and maybe that will help you see what's going on here. So I have my IR spectrum with my data, and I want to insert a chart, and I'm going to choose a scatter chart. The other option you might have thought about is a line chart, but you don't want that. You want a scatter chart, and you can pick the one that has the smooth line because you do want it to look like a line like spectrum. Okay, so here is your spectrum, and then we want to change the x-axis. So we can go to wherever we go to format the axis, and we'll have our formatting options. So the axis options. And then we want to change vertical axis crosses at maximum axis value and values in reverse order. So if you just click on, hang on, go back. We want to change the values in reverse order. So if we do that, then look, the y-axis still crosses at 0. So if we change that to crosses at maximum axis value, then that'll take the y-axis back over to the left side. And so from here, we should be able to fix our axes. So let me know, does this help you to figure out how to reverse the axis?